Hello, this is a summary of the lecture from January 9th made by Maegan and Klara. The professor teaching this course is Ludwig Bartels. Professor Bartels attended high school in Germany and had professional training as a chemical technician and later attended college and achieved a degree in physics. He received a fellowship to go on for a PhD, then moved to the United States in 1998. He has been working at UCR since year 2000. UCR runs on income streams from three different ways. Tuition, which makes up 1/3 of UCR's income. The state, which makes up another 1/3 of UCR's income, claiming California needs more educated people so that the economy can work and provide service for Californians. And money for research. Research is mainly done by graduate and undergraduate students in the lab, and students working in the labs are also being paid to do this research as well. This is an overview of the class. The course will be going at a fairly quick pace, and since it is a 4-credit course, there will be 12 hours of work given at each week of the course. Material that will be taught will not be or feel the same as what was taught in high school. It is about understanding concepts and not so much about memorization. It is focused on transferring knowledge from short-term memory to long-term. There will be a total of 5 projects/homeworks, and at least 3 of them will be with groups. Using AI is highly encouraged in this class, but could also contain old or misinformation. There will be a practice midterm and a real midterm, and midterms will contain questions to sketch or draw something. This is the visual aspect of the class. The beauty of the sketch is irrelevant, and the scientific correctness of the sketch is what matters. Homework will be assigned every single day, including weekends. There will be a frequent clicker question during lectures to keep students engaged in the material being taught. And the final will be an interview in groups of 3 of what we have learned in the class.
Homework. There are group homework assignments that is to be completed within a week or so. They are posted on Monday and due the following week's Friday. There are 5 group homework assignments this quarter, but you're only required to do 4 of them. You can work on the group homework assignments in discussion with your group members. Aside from the group homework, the homework on SmartWork is also available. The SmartWork subscription is the only source you need to buy for this class because that is where the daily homeworks will be posted. Only 4 of the daily homeworks will be graded at the end, and about 60 of them will be available, so it is okay to miss some. Subscribe to the class Google Calendar for important notifications. Textbooks are not required, but you can buy one if you wish. It is also advised that you make friends in this class because it is a good indicator of your overall success. Office hours and extra credit. A recorded summary of the lectures is available to students for extra credit, same as I am doing now. It should be uploaded on YouTube and then a submission of the link for the professor. Any notes taken during the lecture can also be uploaded for extra credit points. After attending office hours twice, you can ask for 2 extra credit points. Office hours are held in room 111 or 124 in Pierce Hall. It is highly recommended to attend office hours. They are held Tuesdays from 11 to 12 and Thursdays 2 to 7 p.m., both in room 124 or 111. The professor's office is held in room 124 in Pierce Hall in the new wing. If it gets too crowded during office hours, it will be moved to 111. The extra credit points are also only added to the lecture portion of your overall grade. Q&A. In this slide, I've listed the questions students had during the lecture, as well as the professor's response to them. Number 1, where is the syllabus located? The syllabus is on the Bartels website, which you can find on the home page on the Canvas for this class. After you reach our website, you click on the Docs tab, and that is where you'll find the syllabus. 2, can we buy an ebook of the chemistry textbook? Textbooks are not needed because there won't be questions specific to the book that we will answer in the class. You can buy it if you like, but we won't be using the book much. 3, will there be extra credit opportunities? Yes, the YouTube summary video uploads of the lectures, the office hours, and the written notes from the lecture are all opportunities to get extra credit. 4. Do we pick our groups for the group homework? Note, they are picked out by the professor, and there is a shared Google Doc between the group and professor and TA, so you do not need to submit. Also, your group is in your discussion, and that as well you will all work on the homework together. 5. Are the smart work homework and group homework separate? Yes, they are separate and they receive different grades. They're worth different percentages towards your overall grade. 6. Does smart work need subscription or is it free? Smart work needs subscription and it is the only thing you need to buy. After you put the student access code, you will see the assignments or the daily homeworks that the professor provides. 7. When can we turn in the written notes? You can turn in the written notes up to the morning before the next class. 8. What happens if a group member isn't doing their work? The professor has access to the doc so he can see the history and the contributions of each member towards the homework. 9. Is there a cap for how many bonus points you can get? No, but the bonus points only go into the lecture section of your grade. And that's it. Thank you for your attention.